Hi! In this video we will show you how to view the full history of actions on items that are added to the Manage Inventory of your warehouse. This will be useful if you want to know information about the movement of each individual item. To view product history, click on the arrow next to the quantity of the product. This window will open. At the top of the window you will see the name of your product. Below you will see the available field. This field indicates how many products are available for shipment at the moment. The next reserved field shows how many items are blocked. When you create an order to ship an item from the warehouse, the quantity is blocked to prevent the situation when you want to ship more than you have in stock. If you click the More button, in the open window you will see in which orders there are blocked items. The blocking will be removed automatically when you remove the order or item from the order, or when the warehouse sends your order. And from here you can view each order separately. To do this you need to click the Edit button, and you will see the order containing this order. All of these orders are opened in real editing mode, not in preview mode. That is, you have quick access to make changes if you need to. The next field, Total, shows how many items are physically in stock. This field includes items blocked for shipment. You can also see how many times you have received this product, if you want to see in which orders. To do this, click the More button next to Inbound. In the opened window you will see the list of inbound orders and View buttons to view them. As I said, you have Inbound Shipment open. In the Outbound field, you can see how many shipments of this item have been made. If you click the button More, you can see in which orders this product was shipped. And from here you can enter any order that contained this product. To do this, click the View button. As you can see, you immediately have a preparation order open with a packing tab. Finally, you can view the full history of this product in a table format. To do this, click the View button next to Product History. In the window with data you can see all actions with this product. You can see how many products came to the warehouse. The Shipped column shows how many products left the warehouse. Date and Time columns shows the date and time of inbound or outbound items. The Number column shows the order number. Clicking the View button will plunge into the inbound or outbound order. Also, this table will show the change made during Edit product. Parameters such as product name, FNSKU, manufacturer SKU, etc. In the total row the calculation including all receipts and all shipments of the product. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.